Good morning, a love for beauty here. Today I'm doing a review on the miniature henna 100% natural powder. My mom used this in my hair every day as a kid growing up for about 3 to 4 hours and it's done its thing. This is how it should look, like a paste. So now we can apply it to the hair. And what it's gonna do is dye my hair. So it's released all its chemicals so that it can color your hair. This is also good for grays as well. Henna is very natural, so if you're someone who doesn't like putting dye in your hair, this is like the best option because this is a deep conditioner for your hair. It makes your hair grow and it's natural. And you can never do this enough. You could do this 2 times a week, 4 times a week even. Henna is very good for your hair. So it's just like conditioning your hair every day. So I'm just gonna use my spoon because I don't have the brush and just apply it here. So really what I'm doing is applying this to my roots, my ends and stuff. It's totally up to you. You can use it and saturate your entire head. I'm really just focusing on my roots. It looks like muddy paste. But this is the most healthiest form of dyeing your hair because it's just like you're conditioning your hair. It's very, very good for your hair. And you just want to work it into all the parts that really need it. You can use your hands with the gloves on if you want. That's my preferred method. It's my preferred way of putting this on or applying it. Or you could use one of those brushes they have at the Sally's Beauty Supply. So once you've done like a full section, so I've done all of that, you can just twist it up like this in a little bantu knot. So you want to really work it into your hair like this. Make sure you get it in there real good. You can massage it in, and then we're gonna let it sit afterwards. Piece it off in sections. So when you're done, everything should be nice and coated in your hair, like so. And then you have 2 full, oh my gosh, it's a mess. Like this. And that's it. Basically, you wrap it up in a little bun, and you are just good to go. And I will be back. Welcome back, guys. I love for beauty here. It's the next day. I'm gonna start with my twists, and I'm just going to unravel them just like this. And I just got finished putting all the henna in my hair, so now it is fully dyed and color treated with henna. So in this part here on this next clip, you can see I'm unraveling my hair, and you can really see how brown it turns certain parts of my hair. It's almost like an orangey color, but I'm okay with it because it's henna and it'll change into more of a deeper color as you do this more often. But I'm very pleased with it and I love the way it turns out. Alright, so now I'm just going to take this off, and this is the end results of my hair. With the henna, it's very moisturized, the curls are defined, it's air dried, and this is my real natural hair after it's been treated and colored with henna. So I definitely do recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.